everybody, welcome to Paris Auto Speedway, where some very fine people from a company called Fast and Speed have invited me to drive something called a CrossKart. And this is a vehicle that I have wanted to drive for so long. It's basically a mini sprint car, okay? And they make two carts. They make a CrossKart, and then they make a bigger buggy. This actually isn't either of those. I tried to get in the 600cc normal CrossKart, and I actually was too tall and I couldn't fit. So this one they gave me is a customized CrossKart. This one belongs to Bucky Lasek. Yes, that Bucky Lasek. Hi, Bucky. Thanks for letting me drive your car. And this one is a tube frame chassis with a GSXR750, that's a Suzuki GSXR750 motorcycle engine, and a 6-speed sequential gearbox. It also, courtesy of Bucky, has a handbrake, which is very cool. And we're out here on Paris Auto Speedway, which is a half-mile dirt oval, and we're gonna have a go in this thing. This thing weighs about 650 pounds, and it has about, I don't know, I think it's like 160 or 170 horsepower. It's a regular Gixxer engine, whatever that makes. And it also has like a $7,000 set of independent reservoir shocks. So this should be very, very cool. We've got an oval with an infield, and here we go. the coolest thing you've ever seen. Oh my God. My heart is going crazy. I'm sweating. I can't really breathe. That was incredible. Upshifting at 14,000 RPM, hucking it in, working the wheel, dancing it, power out. Holy shit. That is rock and roll. Let's do one more. Yo, the base CrossKart is like 30 grand. This one's custom. I guess it's probably like 50, but I don't know if I've ever had my heart go so fast from something that costs 50 G's. That shit is so dope. I'm so jealous of Bucky. Thank you to CrossKarts. Thank you to all these guys. That was rock and roll. Thanks for watching. See you later. Wow, that was rocking.